Hello children, welcome to the computer class. So what we were studying the topic Introduction to Computer Networks, right? So this is the unit A of tier 2. Okay. So in the last class we have studied what is computer network, what is network, and then advantages of networking, right? So what were the advantages? The first one is communication, second one is sharing of hardware resources, third one was data sharing, fourth one was sharing of software, and the last is internet sharing, right? Okay, so now let us see the disadvantages of networking. As we have studied the advantages, now we will study the disadvantages of networking. Okay. So let us study disadvantages of networking. Okay, so the first disadvantage can be network fault. What can be the first disadvantage? That is network faults. Now what is network fault? Network faults is those when the network connection, there is a problem in network connection. Suppose if any in networking the devices are connected together, right? Suppose 4 devices are connected together with one main computer. Okay, this is called the server. Okay, so when all devices are connected with one main computer, so the server, if there is any problem in server, the network problem in server, so this can cause problem in all the attached computers. Okay, so whenever there is any problem or any data loss in this main computer, so the data loss or the main problem can occur in all the other computer which are sharing the resources of the main computer. Okay, now the next is costly. Okay, so costly is, it is very costly. Suppose building a network in a device. Okay, suppose these devices are connected together. So making a network or building any network, it creates a huge amount. Okay, so that is why for creating any network between the devices or forming any link between the devices, so the cost is high. Okay, this is the main disadvantage of networking. Now the third disadvantage is complicated management. Complicated management. What is complicated management? You know, complicated management, it is written because for creating these networks, for creating these networks, you need a trained workers for these networks. Okay, normal people, I and you cannot create the network. The main network is created by specialized persons. Okay, the network is created by the specialized persons. Okay, specialized persons or the experts. Okay, is it clear? That is why the management of networking is very complicated. Okay, now let us see another disadvantage. disadvantage is virus. Okay, so virus, suppose there is a network connection between 2 to 3 devices. Okay, again there is a created network. Okay, now it is connected to main computer. Okay, so it is created to select through main computer. So whenever you are sharing the resources through main computer, so the data or the sharing of anything, of hardware, software or applications, anything which is done with this computer. Okay, so whatever the viruses are there in this computer, suppose you are accessing internet on this main computer, so the virus enters your computer. Okay, virus enters your computer when you are surfing net or downloading any file from the net. So if this computer is having virus in it, so whenever the data or files will be shared to these computers, it will also have virus in it. So, and the virus, because of virus, many data can be lost from your computer. Okay, so the disadvantage is virus because it can harm all the other attached devices. Is it clear? Okay, now the last disadvantage is hacking. What is hacking? Can you tell? Okay, I will tell you. Whenever, suppose this is the network. Okay, now this is the main computer. If any kind of hacking is done into this computer, okay, in this main computer, whenever there is any kind of hacking, matlab any data, means any data of your main computer is hacked, right? Whenever the data is hacked, it can create the problem for other devices as well, because the hacking is done of data. Main things of your data, main things of your PC can be hacked through any other person, any external threats, right? So security measures are very important for your PCs. Like security measures, how can we prevent our computers through hacking and these viruses? We have many kinds of antivirus or the firewall. Okay. Now what is firewall? Firewall prevents the network from external threats. Matlab this is the network security device. Firewall is a network security device which prevents your computer from external threats. Okay. So for keeping your data safe, for keeping your main computer data safe, you need this firewall which prevents your computer from any external threats. Okay, and for viruses, you need antivirus softwares in your PC. Antivirus softwares in your PC so that virus cannot enter your PC. Okay, so students, that's all for today. We'll be discussing only disadvantages. The next topic we'll be covering up in our next lesson. If you have any queries, please ask me and clear your doubts. Okay, and also read your pages. Read page number 8 and 9. Page number 8 and 9 of your book to understand the concept more better way. Okay, so read it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.